Welcome to the Weather Guru Podcast for Sunday, November 16th, 2025 for the lower 48. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button as you're coming in. We're just going to be interpreting the weather in the lower 48 really quickly here. What we have going on is we have clear skies for the majority, 2/3 of the country, and a lot of wind impact in the northeast and the mid-Atlantic here. Dry and windy conditions continue here. This includes places like Pennsylvania from Philadelphia up towards the Poconos, New Jersey, all the way into the Delmarva Peninsula, Dover, Delaware, places like that, Newcastle, up into New York, the Tokyo Plateau of New York, and the Adirondacks. Now, we do have snow showers, but these snow showers are coming off Lake Erie and Lake Ontario here. We'll provide heavy snow in the Adirondacks, anywhere from 3 to 6 inches. Windstorm warnings in effect near the Canadian border, as well as the Green Mountains of Vermont, and up in upstate Maine. We continue to see snow and the purple winter weather advisories for you guys. So just an early preview of winter here for those states. Red flag warnings continue in much of Virginia, the Shenandoah Valley, over towards the coast, Norfolk, Chesapeake, Suffolk, down towards Rocky Mount, North Carolina, over towards Mount Airy, North Carolina. We have red flag warnings continuing, so don't do any burns. It's dry and windy, dangerous conditions here, low humidity as well, so watch out for that. Clear and cool, and from Atlanta, Nashville, Birmingham, Jackson, back toward Tallahassee, Pensacola, Jacksonville, and Tampa, and Miami. And we also have conditions nice in DFW, Houston. Hello to you guys. Hello, Oklahoma City, Kansas, St. Louis. Beautiful in Chicago today, windy and breezy. But we also have some winter weather advisories west of the Continental Divide here. So we're heading up into some ski country there in Colorado or in Utah and over toward the High Sierra country. Be careful. There is blue winter weather advisories there as well. Snow showers will continue. Another additional 3 to 7, 8 inches could be possible in those higher elevations. Flood watches remain below that for the San Joaquin Valley to the south of Fresno and Bakersfield. We have a brief fog warning out, and that's in the northern tier of Montana and western North Dakota. So that's what we have going on here. And you can see on the radar here, we still got that Pineapple Express moisture kind of speaking. This moves way south of the Bay Area, San Francisco now, heading into LA, Oxnard, Ojai, California, Lompoc. You guys are getting rain down towards Santa Barbara, Oxnard. This is going to be continuing to advance into the LA basin area. So be careful this afternoon for Long Beach, out toward the deserts area, and down south towards San Diego for that rain that's going to continuing to help hit California there. Now in the forecast high temperatures for the evening, November 16th, Sunday. You can see the surge of warmth, in the central plains here. High temperatures, 83 for DFWs. We have 74 degrees Fahrenheit for Atlanta for a high temperature, 81 degrees Fahrenheit for a high temperature in Miami, 75 degrees Fahrenheit for Raleigh, Durham, 63 for Washington, D.C., 56 Fahrenheit for guys in New York City, 54 degrees Fahrenheit high temperature for Boston, 48 degrees Fahrenheit for Chicagoland, 46 degrees Fahrenheit to the twin Minneapolis, St. Paul, the Twin Cities. Good morning to you. We continue to see warmth that's going to be coming in later this next week, from Friday of this week, starting November 21st through Tuesday, November 25th. The climatic outlook is warmer for the 2/3 of the country, from the upper plains, high plains, Ohio Valley, Mid-Atlantic, Southeast, and the Northeast. Will all be 5 to 10 to as much as 20 degrees here in the dark red shading. From Atlanta to Columbia down to Charleston, Savannah, it could be 20 degrees above average coming up before Thanksgiving, that Thanksgiving weekend. So from November 21st to 25th, it's looking very warm. Even in Chicago, they could be much as 5 to 10 degrees above average. Indianapolis, Columbus, Dayton, Cincinnati, Cleveland, you guys are included. Erie, even Pittsburgh is included in this, and the mountains as well. So we're going to have a warming trend here. We're going to go through a couple of brisk days here, and then we're going to go by Thanksgiving, November 25th, that weekend from November 21st to 25th. It's going to be warm all the way up and down the East Coast, from Maine all the way down to Miami, and back over to Houston and Dallas and San Antonio as well. So looking forward to that treat if you like that warmth to surge, according to AccuWeather.com here. 10 to 25 degrees Fahrenheit above average here. That was the story here today. As the Midwest, the Southeast continuing, they're going to experience more of a September-like feel, and that is going to be something that, as a jet stream, as you can see, the jet stream is retreated well to the north here, and that's going to provide us with those warming, surging temperatures here, starting this Friday, November 21st through the 25th, through Thanksgiving weekend here. A warming trend is in effect here. The monsoon flow continues out west here for Phoenix, Albuquerque, and Las Vegas here. That will be happening over the weekend, this weekend, and we'll see that continue to go as it continues on. But the wildfire risk does shift as that warmth continues on this Friday, November 21st to the 25th. The wildfire risk shifts to the central part, the I-35 corridor, from Omaha, Kansas City, Oklahoma City, Dallas, Fort Worth, and San Antonio, Houston, and Lubbock and Amarillo. Be careful there as the fire risk becomes more moderate to high in those times. This has been the Weather Guru update for Sunday, November 16, 2025. Thanks for listening. Please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next episode. Blessings.